Welcome back everyone to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm admin point of NEFX. This is the level Raging into Something by Richard Bushey. Let's see what the full title is. Raging and Toolin'. Alright, let's see what it's like. That's actually a big and stylized one. That's a long way down. It felt like it. Oh wow, shield capsule there. I'll remember that, but can't seem to find weapons in time. It's a nice design though, one of the best I think I've encountered so far in the Arena Adventures. Like I sort of felt that way from the very first time I spawned in. That's something I always like, where you can really spawn in a level and know that's going to be good in some level. Like it's got some kind of good quality about it. So 5 ways. Oh, a teleporter too. Yeah, multiple ledges and so these little runaway corridors, but it's still open enough without being completely open. Still plenty of barriers and just stuff to hide behind. It's a real shootout type of area. Alright, nice run shot. I better get back up here to launch the bolt. Let's see what's down here. Oh, there's like lots of levels. I wonder if you can turn any of this off anywhere. If there's like a switch somewhere that would lower the liquid. That'd be pretty interesting, although I wonder if we want to have, in that case, elevators or teleporters at hand somewhere. Considering this is just Marathon 2 and not Infinity, where you could get like an SMG, that's pretty weird. But actually, then again, this comes with the physics file, so that's probably meant to rectify that. This is cool. There's more to it than might appear if you just look at the overhead map. Kind of cheese things by grenade sniping. Well, just kind of shooting on down the line anyway. It's a nice kind of long corridor. Just block the pathway standing to the end like that. Alright, so that's the level. We're going to see real quick what it's like with physics. It's probably the same way, but I want to check it out just in case. Okay, yep, this works underwater. I wonder if there's fusion batteries, since there's fusion batteries down here, if the fusion gun works underwater too, without hurting you. Yep, it works. Cool. Still not the assault rifle though, it's interesting. Yeah, I want to use the script like this with some of my levels, where there'd still be an SMG, but it'd be a highly under liquid, or maybe even entirely under liquid level. I think it'd be more interesting. It even sort of be like I realized this fires the secondary fire by default. It's very powerful. Anyway, I was just saying that it would be sort of like Descent, since you control an aerial vehicle, I think. All the enemies are that way too. It would be like Descent, but better, because it's Marathon. Anyway, that's all for today. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, let's see what we will cover. Set everything back up for next time. We will go through Stick Around by Sean Shakib from the same day, at least that it was uploaded. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.